Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you a Chinese based website which actually gives you 70 million AI tokens for totally free whenever you sign up on this website. The website that I'm talking about, it's really powerful, Alibaba Cloud. You have seen this website. Alibaba is the really number one Chinese based AI website which offers thousands of AI models. The most popular AI model is Quen. So if you directly type on Google Alibaba Cloud, the very first website which comes. So it also offers you 12 months of free trial, which is very generous. No company provide this of free 12 months of free trial, and they also give you 70 million of free AI tokens as well. So once you go to the website alibabacloud.com, this is the actual address of this website. Go to the English version. By default, it will be the Chinese version. Just install a Google Translate plugin inside Google Chrome. It will translate the website to English. So as you see, automatically it will give you 70 million AI tokens for totally free. There also paid plans start with $6 per month. This is truly free and unlimited. I have used the Quen model in the past when it was totally free, but now Quen model is under this Alibaba Cloud paid plan. So for the new accounts, they are actually offering this 70 million free AI tokens. You also get 200 instant credits as well. So the requirement is very simple. You simply log in with your Google account. The option will be there. So once you sign up, you will be granted with this screen here, and you will see that you will get up to 5,000 in free cloud credits. Everything you will get, and you need to just finish off the registration here. Just select your country. Unfortunately, if you are from India, I think India is not supported here because of the tensions going between India and China. So I'm from India as well, so I cannot sign up with an Indian mobile number. So that's the disadvantage. If you are from other any other region, simply select your country. Let's suppose if you are from US, you simply select your country, just type the country name and then simply provide your password, confirm the password, everything. So after that, you need to verify the phone number as well. So this is another requirement. And if you're watching it from India, then I will simply say simply purchase a number from United States, China, or any other country which is listed here. So I will definitely go with the US number. Simply purchase a US mobile number for verification. Then you can easily register. Simply choose your password, everything, confirm password, and click on sign up. After that, you will get 5,000 of free cloud credit, 70 million of AI tokens as well. So this is the best website that I can show you because it's truly free and unlimited. I've used this Quen model in the past as well. So after you selected your country, I have finished the registration in one account. Let me show you. So the account simply looks like this. I've created one account as you see. So this is the account dashboard which looks something like this. And if you see the models right here, the total amount of models which Quen is their main model, Quen 3.6, 3.7, WAN for video editing, image editing, everything. So they have quite a number of, which is Quader, which is similar to Codex, Claude. And after you sign up, you have this option. They also have their documentation to get started. And once you completed that mobile verification, you go to the console section right here. All the things will be listed here as you see. And first of all, you need to create an access key from here. That mobile verification is really important because I haven't done the mobile verification. That's why the option for creating the API key is not coming. So you do need to actually purchase a number, enter your password, click on sign up, and on the next stage, the mobile verification will come. Let me show you. So as you enter your password, So you enter your password, everything. In the next stage, it will show you the mobile verification. And in the console, as you see, you get this 100-day, $100 free trial. In that, you also get, you click on claim now, everything, because I haven't completed that mobile verification. So after that, so this is a website which provides this all these features. Definitely check this out. Choose your country. Mobile number is not set, so you will get this message that ID verification needed. Verify your identity to enjoy free trials and to purchase, deploy, and use cloud resources. So you click on verify now, and after that, if you want to use an enterprise account or individual account, so if you are an individual, I will go with the individual account here. Once you do that, you do need to upload your passport image right here. Then fill out the country, first name, last name. Then you need to put up your ID number, everything, and click on verify. After you click verify, you will be able to enjoy free trial, everything. So this is a website, definitely check check this out. And the paid plans also is not very expensive. You get all these models: Quen, Van, Happy Horse, GLM, DeepSeek. The paid plans just start from $6 per month, and it gives you 10,000 credits per month. And the free plan is more than enough, I think. So it gives you 70 million AI tokens and 200 instant credits as well. So definitely check this out. Simply sign up on this website.